Well, the fallout of a US bribery scandal is being felt here in Goa. The former Congress government of Goa is now under suspicion after a US firm admitted that it paid bribes in the year 2009 to bag government contracts. Now, the BJP is demanding a CBI probe against the previous Congress government led by Digambar Kamath.
Former Congress ministers in Goa are facing the heat after a US construction firm admitted in court that bribes were paid in 2009 to swing water development projects in the state.
So don't you think that this allegation has given a new weapon to the BJP to attack?
I will not make any comment because you are free. See, nobody has said anything in detail there. They have just said, anybody can go and make a statement. I'm just saying. It has to be verified first, no? We can't make irresponsible statements.
The bribery scandal relates to a contract given to Louis Berger for a JECA project, a project approved by the then PWD minister Churchill Alimau and allegedly with Digambar Kamath's sanction.
Mr. Kamath, now the government is asking for a CBI probe. Are you ready for
it? Whatever inquiry somebody wants to conduct, they are free to conduct.
Okay, sir. But the US State Department has been proven there, sir. I just need to detail
I have told you whatever you want. Please, I have honored my word to you.
But details given by the US firm point out the timeline and list a hefty amount allegedly paid to officials under Congress rule.
On or about August 26, 2010, a consortium partner prepared a payment tracking schedule stating that the company had paid $976,630, that's nearly $1 million, in bribes in connection with the Goa project to date.
And the BJP government in Goa is keen to get the CBI to probe the case.
As of now, today, I have suggested my police department to collect the information and do the investigation. I am expecting their report by tomorrow, in a day or two. After receiving that preliminary report, I will be taking a decision.
For now, the Congress is daring the BJP.
ये गवर्नमेंट टू गवर्नमेंट कांटेक्ट होना चाहिए. तुरंत देयर शुड बी अ केस फाइल्ड अंडर द प्रिवेंशन ऑफ करप्शन एक्ट. ऑटोमेटिकली सीबीआई की जांच होगी.
But if the US charge sheet in the bribery scandal leads to more disclosures, the Congress may find it hard to defend its former ministers. With Ashish in Goa, Padmaja Joshi, Times Now.